So I don't know if you can hear this in the background, but there's a call and return going on, and I thought it was possibly two different birds. I think it is two different birds, but they're both chiffchaffs, but they're really distinct calls. Can you hear the return, which is a sort of deeper, more guttural, throaty sort of call? So you've got the high-pitched chiffchaff call there, and then a sort of more raspy return from another bird. Anybody speak chiffchaff? Any idea what that means? Whether it's a male and a female, or two males, whether it's territorial. It's lovely.